write the correct answers by looking at the given pictures. Number 1. Which means of transport is this? Boat. Right. Number 2. Which means of transport is this? Bus. Right. Number 3. Which means of transport is this? Aeroplane. Right. Number 4. Which means of transport is this? Bicycle. Right. Number 5. Which means of transport is this? Tempo. Right. Number 6. Which means of transport is this? Ship. Right.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.